Welcome to the Realtors Podcast, your go-to resource for everything real estate. Whether you're a seasoned agent or just starting out, we provide actionable tips, market insights, and success stories to help you grow your business. Tune in for expert advice, industry trends, and the inspiration you need to thrive in the competitive world of real estate. Stay ahead of the game with the Realtors Podcast.
All right, so you're thinking about selling that Aussie investment property.
Big question.
It is a big question,
Yeah.
and we're diving into some expert advice to help you figure that out.
Should you hold or should you fold? That is the question.
Is now the time to cash in on those pandemic gains? Or should you just keep riding that wave?
Those pandemic gains.
Well, let's see what the expert has to say about it.
That's good.
Okay, so the first thing this expert wants to know is, how long have you had this property? And what was your initial goal?
Yeah, that's crucial. Because were you looking for quick gains or were you thinking more long term?
Right, was this a flip it and forget it?
Yeah, exactly.
Or is this a long game?
Yeah, that's going to totally change how you approach this whole thing.
Because the market, the source that we have is saying that, we've seen these dramatic rises since the pandemic.
Oh, yeah.
Things have gone bonkers in the Australian property market.
It really has.
But, Petit, they are predicting that things are going to cool down. And it's going to be more of a slow and steady by 2025.
Yeah, so what's driving this whole slowdown? Is it interest rates? Is it supply and demand? What's going on in the bigger picture?
That's a good question.
Because you got to understand that before you make any decisions, right?
Right. So think about your property. Has it gone up like a rocket since 2020?
Hopefully.
Right? Are you happy with those gains, even if it starts to slow down?
Yeah, or are you thinking, man, I should have gotten out while the getting was good?
Exactly.
Remember, there's more to it than just the sale price, right?
Right.
You got to think about the cost of holding on to this thing.
Yeah, like what?
Well, you got your maintenance, you got
Yeah.
property taxes,
Oh, yeah. Taxes?
potentially even vacancy. Nobody wants that.
No, you don't want that.
It all adds up.
So it's like a balancing act, isn't it? You're weighing the potential for future gain with the cost of just sitting on it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's say you do sell. What are you going to do with that cash?
Oh, yeah. What could you do?
Could you put it into something with even better returns?
Maybe.
Pay off some debt.
Ooh, that's always good.
Finally take that dream vacation you've been putting off.
Right.
These are all things to think about.
So we've got personal goals. We've got the current market, future trends.
A lot of pieces to the puzzle.
It is a lot to consider.
And, beyond just the numbers,
Yeah.
how does this property fit into your overall plan? Is it a stepping stone to something bigger? Or is this your forever home?
Right.
That's going to play a big part in your decision.
Because there's no right or wrong answer, is there?
Exactly. The best decision is the one that works for you and your unique situation.
Yeah, it's like figuring out the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a screw, right?
Exactly. So figure out what you're trying to accomplish and then make the best call for you.
Perfect.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan.
All right.
Welcome to the Realtors Podcast, your go-to resource for everything real estate. Whether you're a seasoned agent or just starting out, we provide actionable tips, market insights, and success stories to help you grow your business.